Today in this video we will talk about why many people need to use two WhatsApp account on one Android phone and how it can make daily communication easier. Some people use one number for personal chats and another number for work. Keeping both accounts on the same device saves time and help you stay organized. Without two WhatsApp account, you may face problem like mixing personal and work message and switching between devices again and again. So using two WhatsApp account on one phone can make your communication smooth and well managed. In this video, I'll show you the simple method to use two WhatsApp account on a single Android device. So let's get start the video. First of all, you need to clone the WhatsApp application. Let me show you the process. First, pull down your notification bar and go to settings, then scroll down and go to app section. Now as you can see here, there is an app cloner option. Go to this app cloner. From here, enable the app cloner for the WhatsApp application. That's it. Now you can see I have got another WhatsApp clone application, and now if I open WhatsApp and try to log in my another account, as you can see here, I can use another account without any hassle. So friend, this is the way how you can easily use two WhatsApp at the same time on one Android device. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button on this video. Thanks for watching this video.